Alright, and welcome back. I'm going to be announcing my entry into the Meng group build. And of course, we're doing the one right on the screen. We're doing the B-17G. Went out of my way to hurry up and order this thing off the internet because we were having so much trouble getting the egg planes. And I saw a shortage of these showing up, at least on the internet, and it took about 3 weeks to show up, but I got it, and happy to get it. I thought for sure I had to like the last one, and then a week later I see it right on the shelf in Hobby Lobby. So these are easy to get. So if you guys haven't entered yet and you want to enter, they have this stuff right in Hobby Lobby. They have a tank and they have this one, and I don't know what else. But we can definitely still get a hold of these things. Now, I'm showing it in a pile like this because this is actually how it came out of the bag. There was an interior bag, and all this was loose like this. And I don't know, that's kind of funny to me. Almost like it's been returned after somebody took all the parts off the sprues. Anyway, we have a look at... I don't know yet if that's the instructions or if there's an instruction sheet. Just opened it just a second ago. But we will not be building it like the box. It's kind of interesting that we have silver and what is that? What color is that there? So that makes it easy if you were wanting to do the silver belly with the I am colorblind, guys. I don't know if any of you know that, but I can't place that color to save my life. But if you were to build it without painting it, you would have the, oh yeah, there we go. See that? Silver belly and then that color top. But I will not be doing that. What I'm going to be doing is going to be a surprise. But I think that the whole build is all going to be in one video. So this is just an entry video. It's like the propellers will spin. Boy, really built rigid. I think so, because it might be, yeah, because it's kind of toy-like. So I think that they built it really, really tough, thick plastics, so that when the kids build it, they can play with it without it shattering. Anyway, there's just a quick look at the parts, and just don't expect it to look like that. And that takes care of that. We're in this thing, and we're going to have some fun. Should have it done in probably within a month, I think. So thanks for watching, and well, I'll see you later.